Jennifer, I'll push the button and you watch what happens to the bird now.
He's fine. He's going down to get a fish, and now he's flying up again.
All right.
He's still flying.
Still flying. Now, the question is, how come a bird can fly? A lot of people have wondered about that because it looks like he's sort of, well, maybe rowing through the air or swimming or something. In fact, you remember way back in the olden days, the inventors even tried to put wings on people and they flapped them to try to fly. But it didn't work too well. So let's investigate how come a bird can fly. First, you remember this simple experiment. Yeah, you blow over the top and the paper goes up. Why?
Because you're lowering the air pressure at the top, and it stays the same at the bottom, so it just stays.
It pushes it up, right. Now then, when you do the same thing with a little piece of paper shaped like an airplane wing, which is what this is. Blow over the top of that.
It does the same thing.
Same thing, right. And the shape is very important. Thick at the front, sort of tapering back like this. Okay, here is a bird's wing. This is the wing of a pigeon. And if you look at it sort of sideways like this, if I hold it, see how it's shaped like a wing. Isn't that amazing? That wing should be shaped like a wing? Yes, it's a wing. Well, as the air goes over the top of the wing, lower pressure here, that makes the lift. So all the bird has to do is fly forward.
But how does he go forward?
That's the big question. How does he go forward? How does an airplane do it?
Well, it's propellers.
Yes. As the propeller goes around, what happens?
It lowers the pressure, and here it lowers the pressure, and here it pushes it.
Because this is the same thing as a wing, except it's this way, and as it goes around, lower pressure here, and it's pushed forward. Well, take a close look at that bird flying again.
Okay.
But this time, look at the wingtips. Okay, first I'll back them up. Goes back up. There, now let's have him go forward and take a good close look at him fly. Here he comes.
He's going to pick up the fish again. He's got it.
Now watch him as he comes around towards us right about in here. Watch. I'll slow it down. I'll go one frame at a time. Watch the ends of his wings. Did you see anything?
No. They're like fingers, about 5 or 6 of them.
Yes. Now see his left wing? Now watch his right wing. See him?
Whole bunch of little fingers.
Yes, a bunch of little fingers. Well, you call them fingers, I'll call them propellers.
Okay.
That's exactly what they are. The wing-tip feathers act as propellers and pull the bird through the air just like an airplane does. So that's what makes a bird fly.